Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code 403 Roblox. This should be quite an easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, make sure Roblox is not running on your PC. Then the first thing you have to do is press the window button and here search for run and open it. Then enter percentage local app data and once again enter percentage and click on OK. And now here we are, now search or locate for Roblox folder here. And then simply click the right button and delete this folder here. Then go back to desktop. And once again press the window button and search for settings here, and then go to your PC settings. Now here, click on this option, Network and Internet. And then on the right side here, from these options select VPN here. And in VPN, make sure that your VPN connection is disabled. Then open your web browser, and here in the search bar, search for Roblox. And here you can find the option download, click to open it. And then click on Download Windows app to download and install Roblox again on your PC, which will only take a minute to install the game to your system. Once you download and install Roblox on your PC, then once again press window button and search for Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Then on the right side here, click on this option, Allow an app or feature. Now here click on this option, Change Settings, and then search or locate for Roblox here. And make sure that these two boxes are checked here before closing the window. Lastly, in case this step did not help you out, then make sure that you're using a reliable network connection. You can test your network connection using a speech testing site or application, such as open your web browser, and in the search bar, search for speed test, and here is the first website, open it. Click on Go, and make sure to restart your router or modem in case you haven't done this in a while.